Welcome to another tutorial for Microbit. Today we're looking at transmitting data through radio waves on a microbit. The first thing we need to do to get started is to go into our radio block. This is where we're going to find all the radio transmission coding blocks. And the first thing we need to do is we need to set a group. Now this effectively sets a channel. So other microbits on the same channel will be able to send and receive to the same microbits. If you're on a different channel, it means you won't be able to receive something from another channel. This way we can have lots of different microbits doing lots of different sending and receiving on different channels. Once we're going to drag it into the on start, we'll leave it at 1 for today. We're going to make this program so that when you push button A, it's going to send the data Marco, and when you push the button B, it will send the data Polo, as in a Marco Polo game. So first of all we need two inputs, and we're going to bring in two inputs, and then set one to button B. Now we're going to be sending a string. So a string is another word for some text. So we're going to go into our radio and we're going to send string. And again a send string. And inside here we're going to type Marco, and inside here we're going to type Polo. Now when we push button A, it'll send Marco to B, and if you push B, it will send Polo to the other devices, but nothing's displayed. So we now need to program it so that when we receive these strings, we can display them on the microbits. We're going to go into the radio block, and then we're going to go to on radio received string. Now see, there's two things here, numbers and strings. Numbers is for sending numbers, and obviously strings is for receiving strings, so text. So we're going to use this one here. And then we're going to go into our variables, so the data that's going to be stored when we receive these in the microbits. Received string. And then last of all, we're going to need a basic output function for microbit. So we're going to get it to show the string. So when our microbit receives a string, it's going to show the string, but we don't want to show hello. We want to display our received string. So let's drop that one in there. Now if we test this, if we push button A, so on the other device we'll see Marco. But it works vice versa. If both have the same program, if I push B and I push A, we can send and receive simultaneously. Polo. Thank you for watching. I hope that really gets you going, and hopefully you can build upon this to make your Morse code program.